YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. Today I got a case video for y'all. As you can see, we got the S22 Ultra on deck, and we got two cases by CaseBorne. Shout out to CaseBorne for sending these out, and we just gonna check them out. Let's see. CaseBorne by Armadillo Tech. You know, Armadillo Tech, they normally do the rugged cases. This is from Frisco, Texas, USA, and established in 2018. And the first case we're gonna get here is the CaseBorne All Series, the Aramid Fiber Black. Okay, that sounds dope. Let's check this other case out. Let's see what's in here. So, same thing on the front. Check the back. Okay, we're getting the CaseBorne All Series in the red, Aramid Fiber. I like Aramid Fiber. That's kind of like that Kevlar. Very dope. Kind of like carbon fiber. And you get a 1-year premium warranty. So you can register at armadillotech.com. It's very dope. It's okay to drop your phone. So let's go ahead and just get one of these things out, man. So here we go. Got a little business card from CaseBorne. Oh, okay, first, and more. Oh, wow. Look at that. Nice Aramid fiber type look. Nice carbon fiber type look. And then you can feel like the hairs almost. Like it's a really unique, soft, carbon fiber type feel. Let's pull it out. Check this card out. Okay, basically same information. Let's check this case out. CaseBorne branding. So you can see the Aramid fibers looking really, really slick. Nice little red, matte red finish around the Aramid. Got a nice button press, and y'all know I like the buttons with the volume up and down on the rocker. We got the power button also. Nice symbols. Nice spot for a lanyard if you want to rock that. Okay, guys, pretty nice case here. Let's get the sticker from the inside. Inside has a very nice soft finish to it, so it won't damage the device, guys. Definitely a dope case right here, guys. And as you can see, we got some orange tabs that kind of like push your case up, kind of like separate your phone from the case. So you're not gonna get no damage from this case on your device. Let's go ahead, drop this in like so. We got the phone and the case. This is looking very good, guys. I like this matte red finish. And I mean, this Aramid fiber, it's got this touch to it like it's almost hairs. Like you can feel the hairs in the stitching in the material. Very, very premium. You can see it's raised up a little bit around the camera. Nice little bump right here. Got some nice little feet in the corner. As you can see, raised up in the corner to protect the back. Nice CaseBorne, as you can see, got some CaseBorne branding right there. Nice drop protection in these corners. Let's see, we got some raised lip protection. Got some raised lip protection. Very nice. Volume up and down. Symbols. You got those on your volume rocker, power button, no symbol. Got a spot for a lanyard. Doesn't feel bulky at all, guys. Got a nice, it adds very, very little bulk to the phone. Got our cutout for our noise canceling microphone. This is what's in right now. These Aramid fiber, carbon fiber type cases. This look, this feel, very quality. And this actually is different. If you like a lot of these cases that are made out of Aramid fiber, like Patak and things of that nature, they don't really offer a lot of protection. They added onto this case so it offers a little bit more protection. As you can see, you got a lot of drop protection, big corners, all that. So if you like those type of cases but you want more protection, this is a good look right here. So let's get into the second case. And boom. Now this is more this all black. This all black is fire, guys. All black. So you can see same case, CaseBorne branding on here. Looks very nice, same protective, but at the same time, dope Aramid fiber case, guys. Like these a lot. Like how they look. I like how they added protection on here. Let's get that S22 up in here. Okay, I like this one, guys. This all black, this tuxedo black, this matte black around the edges, this Aramid fiber on the back. Well, my white S22 Ultra is looking very dope, guys. And it's the same case, same button press, same big cutouts. Like I said, most of these cases don't offer that protection like that when you get an Aramid fiber case. very minimal, don't offer any raised lip protection. But these, you get the Aramid fiber and some protection. Really feeling this, really feeling these cases. Shout out to CaseBorne for sending these out. Shout out to Carl, man. It's your boy BG Tech Life. I definitely will put links down in the description. And you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Follow me on BG_Tech Life on Twitter and Instagram. It's your man BG. I'm out. Peace.